Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Logitech M590 mouse. Now, the most important aspect of this mouse is that it is compatible, or rather, it can be used with multiple devices at the exact same time. And the second most important feature is that it's silent. So you get the little dongle with the mouse as well as Bluetooth, and you can connect one device with the dongle and another laptop with Bluetooth, and you can move the mouse between the two screens without actually making any additional adjustments. They're advertising a 24-month battery life, which is quite a lot, and the silent factor is already something that we've factored in. On the backhand side, we see the manufacturer, or rather the importers or distributors sticker, take up most of the space, and we can read a couple of things on the bottom. You've got the unifying feature, which allows you to use the mouse with multiple devices at the same time. And secondly, it uses Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE. So that's why you're getting a 24-month battery life with the device. Let's go ahead with the unboxing and we can actually see what's written over here. So when you pull the little packaging material out, we can see clearly. So you can use this with multiple devices with a software called Flow, or rather the technology that's called Flow. You can seamlessly control two computers with one mouse and copy paste content between them. Again, this is something that's important and quite unique. When we open it up, we get a little piece of documentation. This is the warranty, safety, and compliance information. And you also get a little quick start guide on the inside of the packaging. Here you can see how you can go about using it. So you need to download a software, step one, on both your laptops. Connect one with your dongle, the other with Bluetooth, and then switch between the two using the button on the top of the mouse. And within Logitech's software, you should enable Flow. That's a quick primer on how you can go about enabling Flow within your two PCs. Coming to the mouse, this is what it looks like. It's not exactly low profile, as you can see from the side, but this should be quite short enough to be comfortable. You've got buttons on the side. This is usually used in web browsers to navigate to and back. Then you've got the left and right clicks. These are very silent. That's what the clicks sound like. The scroll wheel also doubles up as a button. And here's the button to switch between the two devices that you might be connected to. On the bottom, you have an on and off switch, the sensor over here, and a little hatch that opens up to show where the dongle resides. And there's also a little pull tab, which once you remove, the battery makes contact and you can power the device on. So that's it for the unboxing of the Logitech Silent M590 mouse with Flow technology. Thank you for watching.